Hello, my name is Nazar Rodriguez, and I will be presenting with Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is an effective tool for anyone to use and everyone to use. It is a tool that will help you present your visualization. You're recording your screen on the computer, and so it's an effective way of presenting it to your audience what you have on the computer. It's easy to sign up. It does have a version where you can upgrade in order to get access to other features or other edits, but using the free version is just enough to make your recording and present it effectively. So you can sign up for free using your email. And all you'd have to do is press your launch free recorder, and then you have to run the software, and over here at the bottom it's going to pop up a little recording button which you can press and record your presentation. Now, what we're going to do is that we're going to make a visualization using Excel. So right here I have my Excel file, and we are going to make a chart or a visualization presenting or demonstrating the type of audio that I listen to and the hours per week that I listen to it for. So right here I'm going to put music / audio. And here I'm going to say pop music, R&B, Latin music, classic rock, and podcasts. All right, and here I'm going to put hours per week. And pop, I'd say I listen to it 6 hours per week. R&B, I'd say I listen to it 8 hours per week. Latin music, 4 hours per week. Classic rock, not that much, 2 hours per week, but I still like to listen to it. And podcast, I listen to it quite a bit, so let's say I listen to it 6 hours. Yeah, 6 hours a week. Okay, the same as pop. And so in order to make a chart with this information that I typed in, I'm going to highlight it. And I'm going to press here, insert. And the good thing about Excel is that it has a feature here that says recommended chart. So once you put in the information, it'll create like a chart that is best for the information that you have provided. So I'm going to press recommended charts. And right here, it shows that the best chart for this information is a bar chart. Another chart that would be useful is a pie chart, or a horizontal bar chart, or what they call here a funnel chart. My personal preference would be a bar chart because I think it'll present it appropriately and the best. So I'm going to click OK. And right here, it shows me my chart. It shows me the things that I listen to, the hours that I listen to them for, and right here the title. But however, I'd like to have the titles here on the axes. So I'm going to press the little plus sign here, and I'm going to click to check axes titles. So I'm going to put here things that I listen to. I'm going to put it here. Come on. Hours. And there we go. And I have my chart here that shows the things that I listen to and the hours that I listen to them for each week. So here I have my data already presented. Now let's say I want to move this data to like a Word document. All I have to do is click on the data and copy it. So press copy. I'm going to look for Word. So I have your Word. Open the Word document. No. I'm going to click on blank document, and all I have to do is simply paste it. Yep, that. And there we go.